Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. In this video, I have inference analysis from the text The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov for CBSE and non-CBSE class 9, the first topic. So here are some interesting inference analysis from the text. Let us see what is stored. Statement 1. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. This is from the text. The best inference will be the mechanical teacher was not effective in teaching geography. And the explanation is continuous testing with declining performance indicates poor teaching effectiveness. So your answer is, this is the inference, but in exam there will be 4 option inferences. You have to choose the best one. Inference means on the basis of the points provided or on the basis of the lines. You have to understand the result, the best result. What can be the best result? So in the exam, out of the 4 options, you have to select the best one. Here I have given only the one best option and also the explanation why it is best option. Let us move to the second slide. Statement 1, incorrect inferences. The girl was not interested in learning geography. The girl's performance in geography was improving. The mechanical teacher was too easy on the girl. So these are other 3 statements which are incorrect. And this incorrect and the first one, the correct one, 4 will be given. That is 4 options you will have, you have to choose. So in order to do this, you have to understand the texts very well. Sentence or the statement 2. Margie was disappointed, but she didn't say anything. The best inference is Margie was afraid to express her feelings. Margie was frustrated with the mechanical teacher, and there will be some other inferences too. Explanation is disappointment and silence imply emotional discomfort or fear. Statement 2, these are the incorrect statements. Margie was happy with the mechanical teacher and Margie was not interested in the learning. These 2 and other 2 will be given. Statement 3. The schools of the olden days were different from the schools of today. Best inference is the schools of olden days were better than the schools of today. The schools of olden days were more enjoyable than the schools of today. And other 2 will be given. You will see in the next slide. The correct explanation is Margie's curiosity and admiration imply a positive view of old school. That is, the schools of olden days were better than the schools of today, which were highly mechanical and robotic based or computerized based. The other 3 incorrect statements, that is, the schools of olden days were similar to the schools of today. Next quotation is, what was the fun of giving people tests and having them to do some? The best inferences, the mechanical teacher was too focused on testing. The mechanical teacher was not effective in teaching maths. The correct explanation is the rhetorical question reflects criticism of the test heavy approach. And the incorrect options which will be given, the girl enjoyed doing sums and taking tests. The girl was not good at doing sums. So the conclusion is there. Inference is the process of drawing logical conclusion from the given text or given points. That is, the points given, you have to judge logically correctly the correct answer. What is the result or answer? Accurate inferences reflect understanding of tone, context, and implied meaning. Misinterpretation often comes from overlooking tone or making assumptions. So, you have understood, students, even maybe a little what is inference. You have to understand the quotation or the points given. Then you have to judge and then find out one correct inference out of the 4, or if not given, then you have to write one inference from your own. So thank you. Please subscribe to ND's Grammar channel for more videos like this. I have given almost 6-7 parts on this topic, the fun they had, and I'm sure these will help you very much. Please keep in touch, keep commenting. If you need any assistance and more explanation, please leave message in the comment box. I will try to help you out with that. Thank you.